So this is a recording of how to mend this gearbox fault that comes up when you start the car and then you switch the car off as it says and start again, and it goes away sometimes. But the fault is the auxiliary battery, and the auxiliary battery you can find underneath the glove compartment. There's a plastic panel you pull out. That's not it, that's the rubber door floor mat, and it's in the top right. You can just see the blue above the green connector. There it is, the battery with the blue top. It's on end, and you put a screwdriver in. Oh, here's the replacement model, about £13 or so, quite small batteries, and it's going to go up in there. So you prise the old one out by lifting it up slightly with a screwdriver, and it's sort of vertically on end, and it comes out really easily. I thought it was going to be difficult, but in fact hardly a little tweak with a screwdriver to lift it and move it towards the back of the car, and it comes out. And there it is. That's the original. It's got a slightly different, it's got an extra connector on the earth side, which doesn't seem to be needed. So undo one bit at a time and put it on the new battery so you don't short anything out, and that's a new battery in. So it is relatively easy, and then you just stick it back up in the hole, and it was difficult to get it in, but it is actually easy once you've done it. You just lift it up and push it forward, really. And that's the bit of plastic that comes out. So you sort of lift the two tabs at the bottom up, from underneath the carpet, and brute force ignorance if nothing else fails. And that's how you found it. So auxiliary battery. Right, and once you've done that, start, and there it goes. And make sure I got my foot on the brake when I put it into drive. Yeah, drive, see, perfect now. Now the other thing that I've noticed is that the cameras, I was having problems with the cameras, some of them going blue, flashing and things, and that seems to be okay now as well. I have put a new main battery in the vehicle, and I think they were both knackered,